I'm a plastics nerd, I guess you could say. And I was working at the very high tech end of the plastics industry when it occurred to me, we're going to run out of stuff to make our stuff. There had to be a way to reuse these plastics. I went to the company I was working for, which was a big plastic chemical company, and I said, hey, I think we should look at recycling our plastics. The initial response I got back was, we didn't hire a PhD in plastics to work on garbage. So I decided I needed to go out on my own. The challenge of plastics with respect to recycling is that there are many different types and grades of plastics. The first real use of plastic was to replace ivory in billiard balls. It's called Bakelite. And from that, many different chemistries evolved. Polyethylene, polystyrene, ABS, polypropylene. Now it's in just about everything we touch. But how do you separate all of those many different types and grades of plastics from one another so that they can be reused for a high quality purpose again? And that is the code, basically, we had to crack. We tested everything on the planet, and it took faith. It actually took faith because we didn't know how we were going to do it. You solve one problem and then you work on the next one. Wow, that actually worked. And then the next one and the next one. It took a number of different technologies, from food processing, metal manufacturing, from mining technology, combined together and tweaking them in different ways to force plastics to separate. But we're here now, and we've made it happen. We believe we're giving materials a new life. When I first started working on this, the recycle rate for plastics was less than 5% in the world. What a waste of valuable resources. 500 billion pounds of plastics consumed in the world each and every year. And we have to drill another oil well to get the petrochemicals to make the plastics. What comes out the end of our process is a little plastic pellet that's ready to go right back into a new computer or car part. We are clearly in need of innovation, of technologies that use our precious natural resources more efficiently. We got to where we are today by building on ideas from many different people, many different parts of the world. And now, because we can share ideas so effectively today, we can build on those ideas. The person that ran the US Patent Agency at one time made the proclamation, we're done. Everything that's important to have been invented has been invented. And of course, that was about 100 years ago. I wanted to do something to preserve the earth. This is literally a dream come true, to be able to do something I believe in, that matters to me, and trying to spread it around the world.